Hi, hello, namaste everyone. I am your Kaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They look like normal chrysanthemum indicum, but there are not chrysanthemum. There are Tridax dusty or coat buttons. This flower has many other names. It is also known by many other names such as Gayapaku, Balapaku and Palaka grass. In the Telangana dialect, it is also called Nallaram. This flower comes from a wild plant or a weed plant. It usually grows along roadsides, on field bunds, and among grass. I will also tell you what this plant is called in different languages such as Koya language, Gaddi chamanthi punga, Tamil language, Vettukaya pondu, Gondi language, Jungle pole, Hindi language, coat buttons, Odia language, Bisalia karani or Tridax pole. Even the common grass chrysanthemum plant that you usually see has many uses. In nature, every plant is useful to us in one way or another. If you liked this video, please like and share it. For more nature related information like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you one and all.